Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, respected your teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. On this day, 1950, our Constitution came into office. India became a free and democratic country. Our Constitution gives us freedom, equality, and brotherhood. On Republic Day, we hoist the national flag, sing the national anthem, feel proud of our country. This day reminds us to love our country and let's do our duty. Our brave soldiers protect us. We should also try to make our country safe and proud. In the end, I want to say we should always respect our country and our constitution. Thank you.